Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everybody, I apologize for the poor audio. I'm currently on the road this weekend and in a parked car in the rain, so please bear with me. Looking at NFLX on the daily chart and the weekly chart, we've got a bullish break here. So higher lows and higher highs, we have seen back and forth, red to green, but the higher lows have been intact, and we saw a very clear break on increased bullish volume above the middle Bollinger Band resistance of 90.62, which is now support. So we had our bullish MACD cross, now we're looking for the bullish RSI cross of 50, and clear resistance is still intact. We can see a high of 93.25, 93.25, and the high today 93.28. So very clear resistance, all lining up at that level. We're going to need to see a close above that to turn it into support. As of right now, strong resistance rejecting the price. We can see the lower Bollinger Band is still descending. So the bulls are going to have to continue this breakout on an increase in volume yet again on Monday and a break above that upper Bollinger Band. I do not think that is likely. I think we will reject from this upper Bollinger Band and come back down, form some higher levels of support, and then make another move at that level. And the middle Bollinger Band will be our first target for a support on a pullback. So keep an eye on these Bollinger Bands as they do tighten, and that could be a rejection point to look for early next week. The weekly chart is a nice solid bullish candlestick with a higher low. We'll need to see some confirmation next week. We can see we had a little bullish candlestick, certainly not as strong as this week, but we did not confirm it. That was negated last week. So from here, we're looking up at resistance of the middle Bollinger Band, 96.95, if we can get through the upper Bollinger Band and that 93.25, 28 triple top that we have currently been hitting. So the bulls do have their work still cut out for them. They've gotten a nice bounce over the past 6 days, but it is not enough to change the current bearish trend that we have seen ever since this gap down. So we'll be watching very closely next week. Potential bearish entry opportunity is approaching, and we may look to play that if we get a rejection from the upper Bollinger Band on Monday. So I appreciate you watching. I will check back in shortly. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.